Hi, this is Linking Yellow, and I took a quick look at stuff, and I thought I had figured out the problem, but apparently not. Okay, well, alright, so I took a look at the sprayers, and I noticed that they were starting off inactive. Okay, so I thought maybe I double did something, and I thought maybe if I were to activate them, that might fix all of my problems, but apparently not. So I'll do some more troubleshooting. Um, yeah. Welcome to day two. Welcome to day two, and what I've done, kind of in the background, is I've just changed this right here to this output to out value instead of on get value. So apparently it'll continually update if I do it this way. Um, and I also changed the this was gun give template before. Now it's gun give paint template. Just to update it so that this will work. That'll make it so that when you press this button, well, it'll hopefully make it so that when you press this button here, the gun that does not fire any portals will pop up and spawn on the player. Alright, and there was one other thing I did. Both. Um, I don't remember what it was. It was a while ago, but there were two outputs. No. Okay, yeah. Both inputs were set to this relay right here. Uh, between these two, and I just updated that, fixed it so that it works with both. Alright, so now I'm going to test to see if the paint gun works. Alright, so I'll just grab this portal gun, make sure it's firing portals, and if I press this button, I don't get the other portal gun. When spraying brew paint, I right click, spraying the orange paint, right click again, spraying the portal paint, right click again, the reflection paint, and right click again, and now I can clean it off. So all of that's working. Alright. And yeah, it's time for a bit more troubleshooting with getting the actual gun to spawn in the player. That hopefully won't be too hard. Okay, so I've got another idea that might work instead of the way that I've been doing it. So I'm thinking if I go to the outputs here, and instead of for spawn, I'll do for spawn at entity origin, and I think I can specify player. And I hope this works. Alright, and if this works, then I can take out the measure movement that'll keep this on the player. Alright, see you in game. Alright, so I'll grab this, press this. Yeah. At least this still, well, it would of course still work. But Alright, so a bit more troubleshooting. I was hoping that would be a good replacement, but I guess not. Alright. So I figured out a way that this will work. So what I'm doing here is this is the entity maker. I parented it to the player, and I'm actually going to put it right on top of the player. So the paint gun will be spawning right on the player because of this. And so when this button is pressed, it will hit the weapon strip, and the weapon that the player already has, the portal gun, will go away. And then when this is unpressed, let's look at this. See, on button reset. So when the button comes back up after the timer has come out, which the timer is 1, so after 1 second pretty much, the this will So you force spawn the entity maker, which is now right here. Right. Let's see if this works. Okay, so pick this up and press the button. Hopefully it should do the trick. Not exactly. Alright, let's try that again. If I stay put, maybe. Okay, so this is off to the side. Maybe it didn't update or something. Alright, let's see if it works this time. Huh? Okay, so it's always spawning at my right. Why would it do that? I had it set up at first so it would do that, but then I've moved it since then, so I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm gonna have to troubleshoot a bit. Okay, so after a lot of troubleshooting, I've finally gotten it to work. Apparently, here we go. Apparently, the distance between the template and the actual entity that's templated actually makes a difference. So yeah. I'm just glad it works. Alright, so I think it's about time I finish up or what's left of the paint gun, which is pretty much just giving the player the ability to get the portal gun back. So, let's see, I'm going to copy this, trade over that, and switch this to the portal gun. Alright, and just to portal template. And copy this. Portal template. And give gun portal. So what I'm doing here is just pretty much making the situations very similar. So I can just pretty much copy it over. Alright, and here on outputs, add on press, weapon strip, de-weaponify, strip, and alright, yeah, okay. And on unpress, on button reset, give for spawn. Alright, and hopefully that'll work. I'm helping Lapoy troubleshoot a problem. Alright, so now I'm going to put in some game text. Why don't I make one a game text and then copy them? Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, let's get these into game text. New text. That's odd. Oh, okay. It's only showing up one thing at a time. There you go, and let's see. No, blue text. I'll start off with that. Blue text. Message text. Bounce gels 1L. I'm gonna guess. Alright, bounce gel. On channel 1, I want the color to be blue. Alright, and I'll make this color the same thing just in case. I know they're both used for different things, but I'm not sure which one's which, so I've got no reason to use a second color. Alright, I'm gonna have all of these on channel 1. Alright, let me put it over each. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, color for the second one will be orange. Orange, and I'll switch this to speed gel. Alright, getting weird noises. This is working. Okay. So, speed gel, orange text. Alright, next one. Let's see. Third one was portal gel. So, portal gel. White. Copy that over. White text. Apply. Alright, pick color. Let's go for a gray. Call it silver. Why not? Silver text. And reflect shun gel. Alright, and the last one was cleaning. So cleaning, cleansing. I don't know if that's how you spell cleansing, so I'll just do cleaning. Alright, and clear text. I'm not actually going to make the color clear. Probably just make it black. Yeah, that makes sense. Black. 0, 0, 0. Whoop. Well, at least that was easy to remember. Alright. So now let's set it up so that each of them play at the appropriate times. So, let's see, is there an when enabled output? I think there is. Trigger, no. No, there isn't. Alright, so it should be here. Let's see. This is the wrong one. Alright. Add on case 1. Blue text. Display. Apply. Alright. Copy, paste. On case 2. Orange text. Display. Copy, paste. On case 3. White text display. Apply, copy, paste. On text 4. Silver text. Was 4? No, 4 wasn't white. Here. Get a better angle. Silver text, there we go. And no, not enable. Display. Why did it say enable? Alright. Copy paste on case 5. Clear text. Display. Alright, so I'm gonna test this out, see if this works. So I'm gonna test to see if everything works. Hopefully everything will be working. Let's press this. Give me that. I forgot to parent it. Alright, 1 second. So I actually didn't forget to parent it. I just decided to reparent it. Maybe it messed up or something like that. No. No. Alright, let's see if it's a problem with both of them or just that one. Alright, so this one works. Portal gel, reflection gel. Doesn't say anything about cleaning gel. Okay, so some of these are working. Reflection. Speed gel. Portal gel. Speed gel is working. Alright, I'll take a look at that. Let's see if this works again. Okay, so that's still spawning over there. Alright, I'll troubleshoot this a bit more. Apparently this right here is still here, this logic measure movement. I thought that wasn't actually doing anything, but maybe it is actually doing something. So let me copy and paste that and make it about the paint. So paint measure 2 and change this to gun give. Wait a second. Maybe that's actually what's destroying this. So this is gun give portal. No, man. I was getting confused between the two. Alright. So paint measure 2. Let's rename this portal measure. And gun give portal. Here we go. And just in case you're not sure, these are all entities that I've created already. Alright, apply, and let's see if this works. Okay, so testing to see if it works now. Press this button first. Aha! That spawns on me. Press this button. It switches over to this. And presses again. Switches back. Okay. So I need to get it to turn off the paint. Or turn off the UI actually, as I think what it is. Alright. Well, take care of that. So let's get this button here to turn off the UI. Let's see, outputs, add on pressed. On pressed. There you go. And then let's see, where's the UI? I think that's this one right here. Paint interface, yep. Deactivate. Alright, and now let's take a look at the problems with the text. Let's see. Fade in time. Let's change that to, let's change this right here to credits. I think that just plops it up right away. Alright, let's actually do that for all of these. Oops. Control and credits. Let's see if this works. Alright, I'll see you in game. Alright, now for the test. Okay, that was expected. Alright. Speed gel. Portal gel. Reflection gel. Alright, those aren't working. Speed gel, portal gel, reflection gel. Alright, I think that this has to do with like the fade in and fade out times. Maybe if I set those to nothing. Alright, and if I press this again, it's back to a regular portal gun. Alright, now just to fix the game text problems. Alright, so let's select each of these game texts. using control to select multiple of them. Alright, fade in time, let's put that to 0. Fade out time, 0. Hold time, 1.2, that sounds fine. Alright, look at flags, all players, why not, just in case. Alright, apply, and let's test to see if this works. I'll see you in game. Alright, so hopefully this will all work. This button I know well works. Let's just test this. Alright. Speed gel. Portal gel. Reflection gel. Alright, still the same two not working, but at least these ones that are working are solid. So I'm thinking maybe it's a problem with the logic case. I'm gonna check that. So let's take a look at the logic case. It's right over here. Oop, wrong one. Okay, yeah, this is the logic case. Outputs. Let's see, on case, I don't see any. Okay, and for on case 5, it's 5 of those. Display, 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 display. Okay, yep, 2. So on case 1 is actually missing that. I don't know what happened there. Let's see, on case 1, let's see, blue text, display. Alright, so there's 3 on 1, 3 on 2, 3 on 3, 3 on 4, 3 on 5. Alright, let's take a look at clear text, see what the problem with that is. Clear text could be the fact that it's 0, 0, 0. Maybe it's thinking that's no color instead of black. So let's maybe do a dark gray. C, Control V. Alright, let's check to see if this works. So now let's test to see if this works. I'll go over to here and right click speed gel, right click portal gel, right click reflection gel, right click cleansing gel, right click bounce gel. Let's make sure they all match up. Portal gel, reflection gel, cleaning gel, bounce gel. Alright, and test speed, portal, reflection, cleaning. Alright, switch over to portal. Alright, the portal does not work on reflection gel. Alright, so just to test out the concept. Portal gel, put some portal space down there, put some portal space up here, and switch over to the portal gun. And I can portal between. So this'll give some pretty interesting game mechanics, and I'm about to get started on creating the level. It's about time. Alright, so looking at the time, and I'm thinking about how long it actually took me to get the last video edited and put up. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get started on that, and we'll actually start on the actual level creation tomorrow. Alright, have a good day. Bye-bye.